There's 4 pairs of jeans in there. And there's 4 pairs of jeans in here. The time's now 1947. Oh, poor dog. This is also test 1 of the dryer because it hasn't been run for 10 months. Just clean up. And Jack's trapped outside, aren't you, Jack? Can't get in now, can you? Let's see how long each one of these takes. My money's on this is finishing first. That's because it's not a heat pump dryer. My money's on this, considering there's a pair of jeans in the other one that's actually quite thin, rather like more like cotton rather than actual denim. So theoretically that should finish first, but I think as well because it's vented. Right, so it's now finished and it's now 20:32. So not even 45 minutes and it's now finished. And they're fully dry. Meanwhile, this is still going. Now, got 1 hour 20, but it might be in the fast countdown. I'm just going to show, because they say 1:23 2 minutes ago. But if anything, that's still going. It's not really that warm either. Test 2 of the dryer. This one, we'll put some towels in. Bed and bath. Also known as ready to wear. now 20:44, so it's still taking an extra 12 minutes for the other dryer to dry the jeans, and it's still not dry. Right, so it's now, the dryer is now complete, but for so it's taken an extra half an hour to complete the same cycle. Oh well, let's try it with some towels, shall we? So there's 4 pairs of jeans in there. And there's 4 pairs of jeans in here. The time's now 19:47. Oh, poor darling. This is also test 1 of the dryer because it hasn't been run for 10 months. Just clean up. And Jack's trapped outside, aren't you, Jack? Can't get in now, can you? Let's see how long each one of these takes. My money's on this is finishing first. But that's because it's not a heat pump dryer. My money's on this, considering there's a pair of jeans in the other one that's actually quite thin, rather like more like cotton rather than actual denim. So theoretically that should finish first, but I think as well because it's vented. Right, so it's now finished and it's now 20:32. So not even 45 minutes and it's now finished. And they're fully dry. Meanwhile, this is still going. Now, got 1 hour 20, but it might be in the fast countdown. I was sure it did say 1:23 2 minutes ago. if anything, that's still going. It's not really that warm either. Test 2 of the dryer. This one, we'll put some towels in. Bed and bath, also known as ready to wear.